Hey creators! Want to make stunning YouTube videos without spending a time? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality, eye-catching YouTube content for free using just 3 powerful tools. ChatGPT for writing scripts, Leonardo AI for generating awesome images, and Pixverse to turn it all into scroll-stopping videos. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this workflow is going to blow your mind. Stick around till the end. Now, for demonstration purpose, I'm going to show you creating YouTube video about stages of a hen's development from egg to adulthood using the 3 AI tools step by step. Step 1. Open ChatGPT in your browser. Now write prompt of generate script of hen's life from egg to chicken to adult hens. Now, the script is generated in 5 scenes. You can manage the number of scenes as you want. Step 2. Generating image for the script. To generate image, first generate image prompt by writing generate consistent image prompt for each scenes. Here is the generated image prompts for each scenes. Step 3. Open Leonardo AI for image generation using image prompt generated by ChatGPT. Leonardo AI gives you daily free 150 coins for each of your Gmail account you have. Now click on image creation icon. Leonardo generate for images for your each image prompts you give. You can download the one that best express your prompt. Leonardo takes different coin amount based on the image dimension or scale you select. This is the area where you are going to paste image prompts that are generated from ChatGPT or write. Step 4. Copy each image prompts from ChatGPT that are generated previously and paste it in Leonardo AI. Now download the image that best fit your image prompt. Step 5. Open Pixverse AI. Now log in with your Gmail account. For each of your Gmail account, Pixverse gives you 60 daily free coins. Each video generation takes 30 coins. If you have several Gmail accounts, you can generate many videos for free that has 5 seconds long. First, select the scale of the video. Now upload the images previously generated by Leonardo AI or describe the content you want to create. Describe the content you want to create. Click on Create. Now, you can download the generated video. In the same way, do for all images. Step 6. Upload the videos to CapCut and edit them. The free Pixverse generated videos has watermark at the top right corner. To remove the watermark, either zoom the video until the watermark is hide after combining the videos or use watermark remover. It is all about. If you want to know about how to create several Gmail account without phone number, you can look at my previous video. If you get this video important, please like, subscribe and hit the notification button.